You okay? What go on with that, you know? You in a place, you hear that? Regular. Shellings, Milton Keys. What's up? Teachers in town.
Cinematic.
Fuck, brother. Chop, chop.
Well, prick.
Where did Sky Dollar?
There, I know.
We're outside, you know, man. Where are we?
Motherfucking UK.
Remember that and what we come to do.
Fuck up regular.
Remember that. Today, at the 2nd anniversary of Vybz Kartel out of prison. And what we doing at 2 years, them not doing at their entire career. What this under me knows.
I'm out.
Boom, I'm going to say see face I hear voice, you know, a Spencer represent the Zooskull Entertainment. Baddest blogger representing from Jamaica to Canada, you know the thing go. Worldwide. Spencer representing in New York, you know the thing go. Yo, Zooskull, kill them with the sycamore style coffee, you vlog them more sicker. Yo, killer bees, get the henny and the weed, we no care if a sativa or Rendeka. All of my friends, them bad, we no switch a combination team, I pray to get richer. Boom. Paranoia make